To create a slow-mo effect, you open your Inshot app, you select video, select new, and then select the video clip you want to make use of. Now I'm going to remove the canvas and make it no frame. Then let's observe the clip. Carefully observe. Now to create this effect, the slow motion effect, you select speed and then reduce the speed of the video. Now let's watch the final outcome. As you can see, it's no longer as fast as it used to. So this is how you create the slow motion effect using Inshot. Open your Inshot app, select video, select new, then click on blank. Now you'll be taken to this page. All you need to do is go to background and then choose the color of your choice. You can go for solid colors or gradient colors. Once you've imported the video clip you want to edit, the next thing you're going to do is I'm actually going to split this in two. Now once I've split this in two, I'll add a transition. Then the other clip, I'm going to tap on it, then click on filters, then select effects, then select shake. You can actually adjust it using this. So this is how you create the shake effect using Inshot. Once you've selected the photo or the video clip you want to make use of, all you need to do is click on sticker, select GIF, then select sticker, then type in the keyword you want to search for. So let me use wow. I'm going to search. Note that you need to have a data connection on for you to go through this process. Now once you've done that, you select the word you want to make use of. So let's choose this particular one. Once it's done downloading, it's going to appear here and you can adjust it anywhere you want, and you could extend it to the end of the clip, and this is it.